In this video, you would learn how to solve simultaneous equations using the elimination method. These are the steps to take in order to use the elimination method. Let me start by saying that you should not allow these steps to scare you. The steps are far more easier than they appear. I've written them out so you could take them down for note purposes. The steps are from step 1 to step 5. Let's take an example and walk through the steps together. Let's say we have 2x plus 3y equals to 6 as equation 1, x minus y equals to 1 as equation 2. The first step is to choose the variable we want to eliminate. So let's eliminate y. In order for us to eliminate y, we'll move to step 2. Step 2 says that we should make the coefficients of the variable we have chosen equal. What variable have we chosen? We've chosen y. What are the coefficients of y? Coefficients of y are those numbers that are written beside y. In equation 1, for instance, the coefficient of y is 3. While in equation 2, the coefficient of y is the invisible 1 beside y. So we have 3 and 1 as the coefficient of y as of this moment. So we'll have to make them equal. How can we achieve this? In order to make the coefficient of a chosen variable equal, you would use the coefficient in equation 2 to multiply equation 1 and use the coefficient in equation 1 to multiply equation 2. So this simply means in order to carry out step 2, we'll say multiply equation 1 by 1, which is the coefficient of y in equation 2, and equation 2 by 3, which is the coefficient of y in equation 1. So we'll have 1 from equation 2 multiplying equation 1, which is 2x plus 3y equals to 2x plus 3y equals to 6, and we would have 3 from equation 1 multiplying equation 2, which is x minus y equals to 1. By the time 1 multiplies the first equation, we would have 2x plus 3y equals to 6, and by the time 3 multiplies equation 2, we would have 3x minus 3y equals to 3. So you can name these as equation 3 and equation 4. Now you would have noticed that the coefficient of y now is 3 and 3. So the coefficient of y is now equal. This is what we are trying to achieve in step 2. Step 3 says we should eliminate the variable we have chosen. And in order to do this elimination, remember we said that if the signs are different, in this case that we have plus and minus, you would have to add the equations. But if the signs are the same, say plus and plus or minus and minus, you would have to subtract. So now that the signs are different, we'll have to add equation 1 and equation 3 and 4 rather. So by adding equation 3 and 4, we'll have plus 3y plus minus 3y. It automatically cancels out our y variable. We are now left with 2x plus 3x, which would give us what? 5x equals to 6 plus 3. That will give us 9. Okay, so we now have 5x equals to 9. If we have 5x equals to 9, in order for us to get the value of x, we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 5. So 5 cancels 5. Our x is equals to 9 over 5. 9 over 5, or if we like, we write it in a mixed fraction form. That will be one whole number, 4 over 5. Remember that the next step says, the last step, which is the fifth step now, says that we should substitute the value of x, which we have gotten, into equation 1 or equation 2 in order to get the variable we have eliminated. What was our equation 1 or equation 2 again? So if we decide to use equation 1, for instance, which is 2x plus 3y equals to 6, we will say substitute x into equation 1, which is 2x plus 3y equals to 6. Okay, so we'll now have 2, instead of writing x, we'll write 9 over 5, which is now a value of x plus 3y equals to 6. By the time we multiply through, we'll have 2 times 9 giving us 18 over 5 plus 3y equals to 6. We can still decide to write this as the over 1 and over 1. So by the time we add up this left hand side, we'll find out that the LCM is 5. 5 into 5 would give us 1. 1 times 18 would give us 18, plus 1 into 5 would give us 5. 5 times 3y would give us 15y equals to 6 over 1. At this stage, we would have to cross multiply. So on cross multiply, we'll have 1 multiplying 18 plus 15y equals 5 times 6. 5 times 6. So we'll have 18 plus 15y equals to 30. So at this point, we'll have to collect like terms. So by collecting like terms, we'll have 15y equals to 30 minus 18. So we'll have 15y equals to 12. At this stage, we'll have to divide both sides by 15. So 15 will cancel 15, and y will be equals to 12 over 15. We can still break this down because 3 can divide. When 3 goes in 15, we'll have 5. When 3 goes into 12, we'll have 4. So our y is equals to 4 over 5. Therefore, we can say that x equals to 9 over 5 and y equals to 4 over 5. So elimination method is as simple as you have just seen it here. In case you are having issues with when to collect like terms, when to divide both sides by the coefficient of a variable, and how to cross multiply, you can send me a DM and I can send you a private tutorial that will guide you on those basic mathematics concepts. So till we see again in the next video, do have a lovely day ahead. Thank you.